Hi guys. So this is a reverse. Oh, sorry, why this problem? Yeah. So this is the reverse and array. This is also the very frequently asked question in the interviews, and startup and also the MNCs. So this is the problem, and the problem is very simple, and this is the easy level problem. So the problem says that reverse an array. We just have to given the array and just reverse means we are in the line of like we just have to go for purchase the gas, and currently there is a lot of line and there is long line, so we just have go and stay in the line. So this problem, using this problem we have to reverse. So how to reverse? We just take from the back and put on the front, take from the back, put on the front. So that is the reverse an array. So that is the problem, right? So you are given an array, integer array, you have to reverse the given array, modify the array in place, right? So nothing, just do, we just think like how to reverse the array. When you have to see the reverse array, nothing, just do only reverse the array. So we that means our mind is always stuck on the built-in function, stl function, what is reverse, right? What we can do? So in that we just do the simple one thing. The thing is reverse, 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 and then reverse. Sorry. Yes, in that reverse. So reverse is uh, array dot begin to array dot end, right? Add nothing. Just see it will compile or not. Yes, compile and submit or not. Yes, definitely it will submit. Why that the network is this much of problems today's? I don't know why. So this is the stl function using this stl. Please a little bit fast. Yeah, so it will submit it. You can see here. Now this is the very simple, and which comes always to all of the candidate of mine. Reverse, we just have to reverse the array. Now what is the other approach? Because interview will not happy with this. So what we can do? We can do just first store the array in a one space and then reverse back. Like how to reverse back? Just store this in a one vector, and then one empty vector, and then from the last to store in the new vector, right? So this is, so how can you do this? So this is the very simple. What we can do? Just we can like vector, this is vector int of reverse, and then for int I is equal to array dot size minus 1 and I greater than is equal to 0 and I minus minus, right? From the end, now reverse dot push back of array of I. Now what we can do here? We just have to reverse the whole array, and I just put from the end to the first. Now we just have to return what we can return to 4 int I is equal to 0 to I greater than is equal to n and I plus plus, and in that I just have to return the array of I is equal to reverse of I, sorry, reverse of I is equal to array of I, right? And then and nothing. Now see what happened there. Oh, array of n, sorry, n is not defined here, so array dot size. Now this is the problem. The problem is 4 3 2 1. Your output is 1 2 3 4. Oh, which means we just have to doing mistake array, and here is reverse. Now definitely we can see. Yeah, so this is our the using the extra space, which means order of n is time complexity, and the space is also order of n. So what we can do for the optimization? Any other approach? Yes, we have the another approach. Why I am here for the explaining the all type of the approaches. So what is the next approach? So the next approach is using the, you can see, we can do one thing. The one thing is, we just pick the last one and pick one the first one and just swap, then it will exchange his place. What we can use here for that? Two pointer approach. Simple two pointer approach. What we can do here, for the first is int left is equal to 0, and int right is equal to array dot size minus 1. Right? Now while left greater than is equal to right, till what we can do, swap the array of left to array of right, this one, and left plus plus and right minus minus. Simple. Now check and submit. Yeah, I explain in the three approach. Also one more approach using the recursion, right? This is also a very good approach if you want to solve this problem as a recursion, right? So yes, we can solve this problem as a recursion also, and I try to show all. So in that, the time complexity is order of n and the space is order of 1. Why? Because I didn't take any of the space here. So yeah, and now I just explain is a what I today explain the problem of what is, yeah, uh, recursion approach. So the recursion, what is the recursion we can do here is also, the thing is yeah, so in that, the thing is, and what we how we start. So the sample is int n is equal to array dot size, right? And then we just have to write the solve function, and in the solve function, array start from the 0 to n, right? Now write the solve function is start from the vector int of array and int left and int right. Now here is, if left greater than is equal to right, then return, simple return, and if, and then swap. How to swap? So array of left to array of right, and then I just solve function of what we can do, start from the array to left plus 1. Why? It will always go 1 and the right minus 1, the same as you see in the two pointer approach. Now see, the problem is solve, and 3 and 5, 3 is solve. Oh sorry, that is the void, my bad. So the problem is, अच्छा यहाँ पे भी सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, which means now again 0 3 2 1, so swap left, swap right. What is the problem having there? Yeah, so now you can see there, the problem is nothing to here, and now I just try to solve, compile, and yes, it will submit. Yeah, so in that, the time is also order of n and the space is also order of n. So thank you for staying till the end, and if you have another approach, then please write down in the comment. I will definitely reply and see what's your approach and what's your thought process. Thank you.